Welcome guys to the Crochet Beats channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet a perfect solid granny square. Look at the wrong side, almost everything is invisible, really perfect, really easy, and can be used for bags, blankets and pillowcases and so on. For this tutorial I'm going to use 3.5 mm crochet hook and any medium weight yarn. I'm using today Caron Simply Soft. So we start with a magic ring and now make 8 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the tail to close the circle and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now chain 1, make 3 single crochet into the same stitch as join. 1, 2, 3. Now 1 single crochet in next stitch and repeat 3 single crochet in next stitch, then 1 single crochet in next stitch. Again 3 single crochet in next stitch, one single crochet in next stitch, and for the last time 3 single crochet in next stitch and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Join with slip stitch in first single crochet. After that, make one more slip stitch into the next stitch. Now we are in the center of the corner. Round number 3, chain 1, and we start as round number 2, 3 single crochet into the same stitch as join. Now 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. And repeat 3 single crochet into the, you see it is the central stitch out of those 3 single crochet. 3 single crochet in next stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. And repeat again 3 single crochet in next stitch, now 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. And for the last time 3 single crochet in next stitch, one single crochet in next 3 stitches. Join with slip stitch to first single crochet. As in previous round, make slip stitch into the next stitch, and again we are in the center of the corner now. Round number 4, chain 1, 3 single crochet into the same stitch as join. Now 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. And again 3 single crochet in next stitch, 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. Repeat again 3 single crochet in next stitch, 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. And for the last time 3 single crochet in next stitch and 1 single crochet in last 5 stitches. Join with slip stitch, now 1 more slip stitch in next stitch, and round number 5. So you see, really easy. Chain 1, 3 single crochet into the same stitch as join, then 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. So you see, it was 1 stitch, then 3, then 5, now 7 stitches. Every time we add 2 stitches for each side. Again, we start as usually 3 single crochet into the same stitch as joining, then 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches, again 3 single crochet in next stitch, and now 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. Repeat corner, 3 single crochet, look at this beauty already. Now 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches, again 3 single crochet, and 1 single crochet in last 7 stitches. Here it is. In this way you go on repeating. In the next round there will be 9 single crochet between corners, after that 11, 13, and so on. As soon as you reach desired square size, cut the yarn and I will show you how to join the last stitch. I'm going to use a yarn needle for this. Just unravel the last stitch, so make, in my case, I've done 6 single crochet instead of 7. Pull the tail, thread it. Now insert the needle into the first single crochet from front to back underneath. So this is the chain 1. Pay attention, and you need to insert into the first single crochet. Here it is. From front to back underneath both loops. And now into the center of the last single crochet. And in this way we have done invisible join, you see. Now weave in ends and the perfect crochet square is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. If you're looking for more granny square tutorials, please check my YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye.